Gathered here 15 everyday carry gadget. This is a little screwdriver, and as you can see, it's spin. You see, it's not super smooth, so but that's really cheap. You see how you can just put it into your hand, put it on something, onto the screw, and unscrew it or screw it back up. Very unique tool. I really like that a lot. Next, we got it here Carabiner, and it has bottle opener and a whole bunch of tools. So you can pull them out like this, and you got it here screwdriver, smaller screwdriver, another screwdriver. This genius, a little screwdriver hiding with a big screwdriver, so that way there is even more tools. That is so cool. I didn't even notice it at first. And there is a hiding knife over here, as you can see, in case you need to open up a box or two. A really tiny knife to open boxes and such. Boom, very unique. Next, this is CKF Everyday Carry tool. It's a little like, I guess you can hang it on the back of the knife. It looks like a domino. You see CKF domino 2020. This stuff is a really good company. It's a knife company, and this is a bottle opener. You can hang it on the back of your knife or keychain, whatever. Beautiful. Their gadget everyday carry. Next, we have right here outdoor edge box cutter. This is really unique. As you can see, this one has a clip, screwdriver, bottle opener. Right here is a bottle opener. You see there's a blade. The only thing is to replace the blade. Oh wow, you just press it like that and it comes out. I thought it would be hard to replace the blade. Okay, how do we put it back in? I guess you push it in and lock it in. There you go. Wow, this is a nice utility knife. Very interesting. I really like that. Very nice design. Very skinny. Put it onto your pocket. Anywhere. Wow. Bottle opener and screwdriver or pry bar opener. Interesting. I like that one a lot. Okay, what else we have here? Something different maybe? Oh, that's another carabiner. That's kind of unique. I thought it was cool. Found it on Amazon. How would you hold it this way right here? So like a little self-defense tool. Window breaker. So survival tool maybe. And there you go. It's just a carabiner for your keys or whatever. Very unique. What do you guys think? I guess you'd put it like that to break through the window, whatnot. Next, something different. This one's been out for a while. This is like a waterproof keychain holder. Don't take it to the airport. They probably will try to confiscate it, and then it's gonna be on eBay. TSA confiscated items. They don't like anything that is look-alike. This kind of stuff going to TSA. But yeah, it's pretty much kind of cool to put a bunch of fire starters in there. This is a waterproof container. So like everyday carry fire starter container or whatever, but it looks like a bomb. And also it has a window breaker. That's nice. So I guess you can grab it and boom, smash through the car window. You all know why. Get out of the sinking car, whatnot. Okay, something different. H3 Pro. What is this? Little flashlight. Pen flashlight. Ooh, that's bright. Oh my gosh. Overexposing. A LiPo. I guess there is two sets of batteries built in there. Oh, there you go. You can stick a battery in there, or it's rechargeable. That's quite unique. So if the rechargeable part dies, you press this and it changes to the battery. But because there is none, it pretty much telling you there is none batteries. That's interesting. That's one of a kind flashlight for sure. I like it. Let's see what else we have here. Very nice pouch out here. What is this? Oh, cool. I think that came from Amazon. Some kind of like multi-tool over here with all the beads. Oh yeah, it's like miniature ratchet stop over here. And also it has one of these adjustable like connections. That is so cool. Like taking it out, probably have to use one of these. Push it through, there you go. And then you plug it in to adjust it. And then flip this over. So this is miniature, like a little screwdriver type of thing. Let's see if I can pull this out. There you go. Boom. Plug it in and you got it here, screwdriver. Isn't that cool? So unique. And you can go like that if it doesn't have to have a like attachment. That is unique for sure. I like that everyday carry kit. Oh, also it can be a screwdriver on this side. Boom, like a regular screwdriver. You see it? That is amazing. So many functions. Takes a minute to figure it out. Looks like it goes from the top. That's it. Easy to put it in and out. And then just slide this in. Boom. Ready to go. Everyday carry little tool. I like it. It goes in the pouch. Super cool. Big company. Lots of knives they make. Looks like they made a flashlight with the keychain. Why is it so wiggly? Wait, is that a flashlight? What is this? Oh no, that's not a flashlight. I forgot. It's like everyday carry, like a little beads holder. All we have is a bunch of screwdriver holders, but what do we put it in to actually use a screwdriver? So that's a little bit disappointing. All it is just a holder, bunch of drill bits over here holder, and they're quite noisy. Maybe I cannot figure it out where is that you're supposed to plug it in, but it seems to be just a holder. This is good knife company over here as well. Let's break off the sticker. CVV. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see what's about. So looks like a phone flipper over here. Nice, interesting tool. Rope cutter, screwdriver, whole bunch of little stuff, bottle opener, liner lock, and phone flipper for the knife. Very simple tool, but I really like it. Boom. We'll probably never use any of that, but rope cutter and bottle opener, screwdriver, pretty cool. So there you go. Very smooth. Nice tool. Okay, next we have right here Gerber. People always ask me to do Gerber videos or everyday carry stuff. Okay, what's up with them zip ties? Oh, that's the worst packaging ever. Talk about frustration packaging right here. And talking about cheap knife cannot cut it through the zip tie. There you go. So what we got right here, Gerber screwdriver. Looks like adjustable. Flip it over, flathead. Okay, how do we pull this out? Okay, wow. Box cutter, opener, and pull this out. Another really thick box opener. I guess this is it, yep. And there's another knife. Quite nice and comfortable. I would break it in, like that. Liner lock. Whoa, what is this? Like a pry bar? Seems to be sharp. So nail polish or whatever that is. Boom. Very interesting tool. Gerber, there you go. Alright. CVV. Little flashlight or something? What is this? Little mini tool. Let's see. Oh, I like that. This is like a keychain tweezers. That is pretty amazing. I never seen tweezers like that. So you unspin that, looks like, tuck and tweeze. and then push it forward and then spin it. So in case you got a scab, you can grab it and pull it out. Wow, that's high quality. Pretty easy to take out the scabs and things like that. I like it. So to close it back up, spin it, close it, spin it this way. Again, to open it, boom, tighten it, tweezers, close it. They're keychain tweezers. That's beautiful. Okay, just a couple more left. What is this also? CVV, bunch of stickers. This is like a carabiner gadget. That's beautiful. Everyday Carry carabiner. High quality materials. So what is this? You just press it, pull it out. Utility blade. Looks like there's a different latchet set here. So you can really barely open it for the boxes, for the tape. Go like that, bigger, and all the way out. I like that section, you see? That way you don't, like whenever you open boxes and tape, you don't cut into the products. Also there's a screwdriver. Different bits over here, you just spin it this way. That is cool. Wow, I like that. I'm a fan. And the last one, another CVV. They did quite a few, as you can see, everyday carry stuff. I don't get the stickers. Made in China. Okay, this is a much bigger utility knife. Who does not like utility knives? That's definitely everyday carry tool. High quality metals, bottle opener like that. Wow, that's a big box opener. Goes all the way out. That's beautiful. Almost can be used as a scraper. You see it? But there's a different settings, latchets. You just push it and it locks in. Let's see if I could feel the first one. The first one is this way. You see just a tiny little bit. That's a really thick box opening blade. That's pretty cool. I like that one a lot. Very cool hole over here. I don't think this is actual wrench over here, just for fun, I think. Boom. Very unique utility tool. But yeah, a lot of everyday gadgets. I'll be using quite a few of them. Let me know in comments below what do you think and which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.